Hey, Dr. Dange Wolf here, coming at you guys with a low back and sciatica video. So I got this blue tape here, basically just showing the pain referral pattern. Generally goes past the knee. Does your pain get worse with bending forward? You can see you stretch the nerve. Does it feel better when you lean back? So let's talk about some things you can do. First one, prone press up. What I'm looking for with this exercise is for the leg pain to reduce. Sometimes it looks like it just vanishes. Other times it slowly creeps up out of the leg and heads towards your spine. If that is not the case, I suggest you to not do this exercise. Sometimes if I don't get anywhere with the legs being straight, whichever leg is affected, I'll have you frog leg it and then continue with the prone press up. Next is a piriformis muscle stretch. I like this first variation the most, but the other two are great as well. I generally tell people whichever one feels the best to do that one, but this is an important stretch because the sciatic nerve actually comes out underneath this muscle. Last one is the pigeon stretch. This is the most intense, so just be careful with this one. Sciatic nerve floss is up next. I like this exercise because you're taking that nerve and you're moving it through its anatomy. So sometimes if it's got caught up anywhere or there's a muscle that's irritating it, you can start to reduce some of that by basically just flossing it through. And so it's important to move your head and your leg in unison during this exercise, but just be careful because you can't overdo it. Next one is the cat-cow. So generally, I prescribe this one because 9 times out of 10, when I see people with sciatica, it's from irritated discs. And so this is a great exercise to calm some of those discs down. You can modify this so you don't have to go as far arching or rounding your spine. You modify this one to make sure it feels good while you're doing it. Next one, so you can see I moved my pelvis there before I started. You want to get a good neutral pelvis before you extend opposite arm, opposite leg. I really like this exercise because it fires the stabilizing muscles of the spine, and it's really good at protecting that low back. Last exercise is the single leg glute bridge. Again, firing some of those muscles that surround the pelvis and low back is really good at stabilizing everything, protecting it. I like doing this one leg at a time because our glutes are notorious cheaters. So sometimes you'll do it on one side and you'll feel it in the glute. You'll do it on the other side and you feel it in the hamstring. So that's how you know you're walking around with one glute. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.